Alright, we back on air. As y'all can see, the chicken is browning pretty good. I turned my fire off so I can finish this rice up without browning up my chicken before I put these veggies and stuff in there. Now we're going to throw these veggies in here because the rice is about ready. You know, with brown rice, you gotta cook it a little bit longer than white rice and stuff. So you want to make sure it's cooked good. Sprinkle a little bit. Just, you see, just little drops. Just little drops. Broccoli and stuff. I don't want to put too much on it. I don't want stuff to be salty. You know, just enough. You can put a little extra pepper if you want. Easy meals right here that you can make, and I try to get my veggies, you know, cooked a little bit of crunch, but some softness too. Just not real soft. I like some crunch, little crunch to the broccoli, little crunch to the broccoli. But y'all see, that's looking good, honey. That's looking good. I ain't got brown rice in there yet. Don't have my teriyaki sauce in there yet. But baby, yes, after they replace my stove top, honey, girlfriend can get up in here and do some cooking. And I got some appliances, man. I gotta show y'all these little pieces that I bought. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but I need to show y'all. But show y'all these little pieces I bought at Marshall's, man. They so cool. They're gonna fit good in my little miniature toaster oven. I got a miniature toaster oven, y'all, that I seen another young lady posted on her YouTube channel that I be following and subscribing to. And so I had ordered me one off of Amazon, and then I seen these little bitty pans that can go in it, and I was like, what in the world? I gotta have it. I ain't need it, but I sure wanted it, so I got them. I stuck to just two. See, just two. One is like a little Dutch oven like thing, and one is a spring baking pan. Y'all forgive me, you can't see my head. Let's see if I can raise it now. No, you still can't see my whole head when I got it facing in the selfie mode. But y'all get the gist of it, honey. This little old 2-burner cooktop cooks good, y'all. It cooks good. I'm so thankful and blessed to have this to enjoy. But after I failed, man, I was like, man, no more working right now. I don't know. I was wondering if I was gonna be able to get back in this thing, because these old knees and this sciatic nerve pain ain't no joke. But here I am. I tested it out on a little trip, and yes, that sciatic nerve pain was kicking my butt. But you know, I try to make the most of it because I wanted to get out of the house, and so it be depressing and it gets sad when you're just sitting there all the time. And my main lady, she been gone for almost 8 years now, my mother. And I tell y'all, hey, if you still got your mom living, make sure you spend as much time as possible with your mother, because honey, time does not rewind. It don't rewind for nobody. It goes, and you don't ever know when the last day gonna be for you to see somebody or be around somebody or be in somebody's life. So make sure y'all appreciate and enjoy your family while you got them, especially if you got close-knit family. Y'all appreciate your family, honey, because I don't have no close-knit family. I don't know. It ain't like it was when our grandparents was living, you know. So it's like I'm the Lone Ranger, the black sheep of the family, or whatever you want to call it. I'll turn this off and go on it. washing my bowl up so I can get that out the sink, so I can let this water out and so I can drain this rice. That's why I didn't cook my chicken way too long, so that, you know, it'll be good when when I put this broccoli and stuff in here. I ain't want it to be all overcooked and things. And do this over here. Put this rice in here. Yeah, that's a lot of rice. I should have saved it. Some of that rice, put it in a container for another day. But here we go, we're gonna do this. This is how I do my carrot. I don't measure, babe. I just pour for the flavor, because it gives it a nice little taste. But yeah, this is the way I do mine. I don't know how y'all do y'all, so don't be trying to say I ain't doing it right or whatever. Everybody have their preference how they do it. Sometimes I put garlic in here, bell peppers or whatever. But I had broccoli and onions, so that's what I'm putting in here. And this brown rice and this chicken, and that's gonna be that in a minute. And it's gonna be ready to sit down and eat in a few moments. But yes, I do it like that. Ooh, that broccoli looks so good. Everything looks good, y'all. The skillet getting kind of hot on this hammer. That heat is blowing. This air conditioner sure feels good up in here. I'm glad my generator got it running, going good, everything. Ooh, that smell. It smells so good. Too bad you can't smell it up here on this screen like I can. Let me see. Let me take this off. I had to take it off so I could show y'all what I'm talking about. See, it's looking good right there. Tasty. As though I can't get a good picture, so I thought I'd video it in my bowl. The rice, the chicken, the broccoli, and some onions.